What's stopping you from starting an online business? Hi there, my name's Andrew Plimmer from andrewplimmer.com. I'm coming to you from my home office here on the Sunshine Coast. I'm an affiliate marketer. I've been affiliate marketing for a long time, over 20 years. I've had my ups and downs, I've had my challenges. I like to help other people get started as an affiliate marketer and get them started online. I help people get right from the beginning, and that's what I love doing. But my question today is, what's stopping you from starting an online business? And there can probably only be two or three things that might be stopping you. One is fear. I mean, like I said earlier on, I got started online about 20 years ago as an affiliate marketer. It was completely different back then in that I was only using search engine optimization to get my traffic to my website, whereas these days it's all about video. And that really sort of stymied me for a long time because I was petrified of the camera. And you know, I'm not saying that I find it easy now, but I realized about 4 or 5 years ago that I had to get started with video, and I really struggled with that. And so, you know, if that's your situation, my advice is just get the camera out and start taking videos. You know, the more you do, the better you're going to get at it. Of course, align yourself with people that you want to sort of follow in their footsteps. That's always really important. I'm not suggesting at all that you plagiarize or copy what they do, but you put your own sort of take on what they're doing and follow in their footsteps. I think that's really important. But I think fear of video is a big thing when it comes to stopping people from getting started with their online business. But like I said, the only way to get started with video is to take imperfect action, and the more videos you take, the better at it you'll be. I'm not saying I'm perfect. I'll probably never be perfect. Nobody will ever be perfect with video, but I can assure you the more you do, the better you get, and then the fear goes away. The second one that might be stopping you is knowledge. You think you don't know enough about internet marketing or starting an online business. Well, there's plenty of places you can go to learn how to start an online business. I guess the issue there is finding the right one, finding the right course, finding the right people to help you get started. I aligned myself with a fantastic affiliate marketing company just recently. I've been looking for looking for a course, or more like a community, if you like, that's going to support you and give you the right information to get started. And it really is that simple. If you get the right information and you follow their advice, you can't help but be successful in some degree. I'm not saying you're going to be like the master of all masters when it comes to online marketing or affiliate marketing, but certainly if you take the advice, take action, and do what they say, it's going to make a huge difference. So knowledge, and of course, if you're just getting started, of course, you'll have some challenges for sure, but step by step, one thing at a time, and you'll get there for sure. And so, you know, and I think the third one perhaps is finding your niche, knowing what you want to promote and how you want to market it. I love affiliate marketing because we are not dealing with a physical product necessarily. You can be selling physical products, but you're not having to ship and handle handle products. So that sort of takes all those logistical problems away by becoming an affiliate marketer, as an affiliate marketer, I should say. So I hope you got some gold nuggets out of this video. If you did, please like, share and comment. You know, there's a link below, andrewplimmer.com, which will take you to the same system that I use and I promote, and I just think it's absolutely fantastic. It's free to get started, and if you choose to go further, well, you got one-on-one support and just a community of people that just wants everybody to succeed. So it's a fantastic way to make a living. I work from home. I'm free to do most of the things when I want to do them, and I'm not sort of stuck in a job or having to go to the office every day. So I hope you're having an awesome day. I'll talk to you soon, and I'll see you in the next video. Over and out.